May 2026, El Segundo 90245, home sales market recap video. Let's go! Hey everyone, Julian Yun here, California real estate broker for over 20 years. You know what question I get asked the most? How's the real estate market these days? So that's why I made this video. And thanks for clicking and stick around till the end because I got a fun fact for you about El Segundo. All right, let's get down to business. In May 2026, we had 4 closed sales total in El Segundo 90245. We had 1 condo sale, 1 townhome sale, and 2 single-family home sales. So right away, this was a very small sample size for the month, with only 4 closed sales total. But even with limited sales activity, the market still showed a few clear patterns. The biggest category this month was a single-family homes with, get this, 2 closed sales. Both sold quickly, with one going in contract in 4 days and the other one going in 7 days. That tells us that even in lower volume months, desirable single family homes in El Segundo can still move fast when they're priced well and offer the right combination of a location, condition, and feature. The attached home market was also notable. We had 1 condo sale and 1 townhome sale, both selling above their original list prices. While May was not a high volume month for El Segundo, the closed sales we did see showed strong buyer demand across multiple property types. Now, let's break down some pricing and days on the market for each home type. In May 2026, El Segundo condos were a very small sample size, with just one, get this, one 2-bedroom condo sale this month. On a price per square foot basis, the condo sold at about $792 a foot. The average condo price was $900,000. Since there was only 1 condo sale, the least expensive and the most expensive condo sale this month was the same property, and it was located at 215 West Palm Avenue, Unit 301, which sold for $900,000. And in terms of days on market, it sold only in 4 days. Townhomes were also a small sample size this month, with just 1 3-bedroom townhome sale in May 2026. The townhome sale came in at about $771 per square foot. So with that one sale, the average townhome price was $1.365 million, which was also the sales price of that unit. Once again, since there was only 1 townhome sale, the least expensive and the most expensive townhome sale was the same property, and the property was located at 710 Virginia Street. And with days on the market only being 8 days, this property went into contract as quick as its condo counterparts. Moving to single family homes. This was the biggest category overall with 2 closed sales. Well, biggest relatively, right? There was 1 3-bedroom single family sale and 1 4-bedroom single family sale. Their price per square foot ranged anywhere from $1,020 to $1,023 a foot. So both single families were priced actually very close on a price per square foot basis. The average single family home sales price was about $1.992 million. The least expensive single family sale was at 915 Eucalyptus Drive, which sold for $1.25 million. And the most expensive single family sale was at 825 Center, which sold for $2.735 million. And days on the market range anywhere from 4 to 7 days, which is still blazing fast on this market. So, what does all this mean? My biggest takeaway from May 2026 is that El Segundo had a low volume month, but the sales that did close showed strong buyer demand. Every property sold in less than 8 days, and 3 out of the 4 closed sales sold at or above the original list price. So even though there are only 4 closed sales total, the numbers suggest that well-priced homes in El Segundo were still moving quickly across multiple property types. So as we track the market from here, the 2 categories I'd like to keep the closest eye on are the single-family homes and the larger attached homes, because those should give us really the clearest read on whether buyer demand in El Segundo is strong. All right, shifting gears, here's a quick fun fact about El Segundo. Did you know that El Segundo literally means the second in Spanish? The city got its name because Standard Oil, that big oil company, built its second California refinery there in 1911. So basically, El Segundo was named after being the company's second refinery location. So not the most romantic origin story, but hey, for a city where homes sell for over $1,000 a square foot, I guess being second still worked out pretty well. You know what they say? They say first the worst, El Segundo the best. Huh? All right, that's it for this month's El Segundo sales update. Thanks for staying till the end. As always, a copy of the sales report is linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit that like button. If you have any questions about the market or if you're thinking about buying or selling, feel free to reach out to me at info@themodernflat.com. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.